close to Friday, so I had to come in here.
That didn't make no sense.
Cause
You got 2 more days till Friday. But I mean, I'm glad you're here though. You feel me?
But cause like Mondays and Tuesdays, not the days, But like Wednesday, like when you in the middle, you like ready for the weekend. So it's really no. And my birthday on the 28th, so I'm finna have a good month.
Well, hopefully you.
My birthday was on the 7th, October the 7th.
Happy belated birthday, happy early birthday. You know what I'm saying? Now I don't know who to root for. What up, Danielle? Yes.
He gonna go first.
Huh?
He gonna go first.
Need to hear it again.
Practicing. Yeah.
You want? No, that's impossible. I can.
Oh, he quit.
Beans was good.
Yeah, let me at least.
He quit. Let's see. Hold on.
I can't.
Okay, let me go.
Money.
Okay, your turn.
Appreciate the crowd, Winona.
I. Let me get the laugh out right quick.
Right.
Okay. See, you finna laugh. Okay. I did good.
Yeah, that was solid. You feel that? Hey, that was solid as hell. But I gotta give it to Graves though. I gotta give it to Graves. Huh?
What you talking about? G Money?
No, I gotta give it to Graves.
What you talking about?
As the winner.
You was clapping it up. What you mean? You got me all hyped up for what?
Nah, I wasn't. That was the shake. That was firm shake. You know the emoji. That's like the handshake. I was giving you a firm shake because you did your thing. But
so I came up here after a month to get back down.
Bro, but you could come back up though. Is what I'm saying.
Okay.
That ain't how you start. It's how you finish.
I don't know about that one.
GG's.
Right.
G Money.
All right, bet.
Oh, shit.
G Money, more like G broke.
The champ is here.
Here. Came up to talk his shit. He said the champ is here. Let's see. What about this, Richard? This ought to do it.
Lab.
Hey, Lando, come on, bro. You know me, bro. If it's a monkey or a pig, that's like.
Whoa. How a pig get lumped in? I understand the monkey, right? How a pig get lumped in?
It's just something about black folks and the cops. I just don't like neither one.
Okay. I go to a different animal off the strength of that. Because, that kind of makes sense a little bit. Let's see. Yeah.
He was over there practicing. He put his mic on mute fast.
All right. Let's see this one right here.
What the fuck was that? That's a sound?
Yeah. It's a dinosaur, apparently.
Go ahead, champ. Down there. Knock it out, bro.
You want me to go first?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. I need you to pay special attention to this. Okay. Can you play it again, Lando?
Yes, indeed.
That sound goes a little bit like.
Let's do a rooster, bro. That was a rooster.
No, a rooster is more like that's a rooster.
Hey, yo. Ain't no way this dude got a voice box in his chest like that. He got a computer over there too. He cheating. Let me hear that sound one more time, bro.
It was a nice trailer.
I gotta give it. I like the ending though. The ending was, you know what I'm saying. That shit was spot on. But I gotta give it to Graves.
Hey, I'm not gonna argue you on that because bro's a cheater.
GG.
GG.
He said, "Bro's a cheater." That's crazy. Oh man, should I pull up the other soundboard, y'all think, or should I stick to the animal noises? I guess we could.
Let's try with a different soundboard.
Beans, what up? The other one got some inappropriate things.
One that has like cartoonish, like.
Hey, look, we ain't gonna start off wild, man. Not gonna do that.
I'll wait till you go on to start it up. Not gone, but wait till you at least go once. You know what I'm saying? But
we got warm up to this.
What
warm
up,
up to it is crazy. Oh, here we go.
Oh, come on, man. What the fuck?
What?
Who the fuck can make that sound?
That's the point. It's supposed to be hard because Graves good at this game, so I gotta find something that's, you know what I'm saying? That way y'all on even playing field.
Nah, Graves be cheating.
Oh shit!
What the fuck?
I believe in you. You feel me?
Damn.
I believe in you, bro.
Crazy.
Real talk.
You go first?
Yeah, I'm gonna go first, man. Give me the sound again, man.
That was solid. That was solid. I ain't gonna lie. That was solid right there.
That was good. Okay, my turn.
Right?
What the fuck? Nah, I'm convinced. This nigga pouring water in the cup for real. I'm convinced.
Oh shit. Okay. See, I ain't gonna lie, Beans. I thought you had it till he went, man. I ain't gonna cap to you.
Man, I thought I had it too.
I ain't gonna front. But GG's, man. Gotta give it to Graves, man. Sheesh.
I'm on the street.
Why you sound surprised? Should I pull up that other one?
What up?
Yo.
Who's that?
I don't like what's going on here.
Huh?
I don't like what's going on right now. Why is Graves winning?
Oh, is that Tekka? Hold up, man.
Oh, come on, Lando. Don't do it to me, bro. I just got back, bro.
No, I'm not doing nothing. Bro, I'm not doing nothing.
Why you get off that page? What is that?
My instance.
Your instance. Oh, shit. Here it go.
Y'all remember this one?
Oh, yeah.
Bro, it ain't even bad, bro, unless I pick something bad. You know what I'm saying? But welcome back, my brother. You feel me?
You was just waiting on this shit, huh? You was waiting for that shit. You was waiting for that
Nah,
shit.
cause look, how did I know you was gonna be here? You feel me? That's
you went for that right little moment.
Nah, but look at the sound though. This real light, bro. Look.
Am I supposed to make that sound at the end where they blink?
Yeah, front your back. You know what I'm saying? Alicia was kitty. Yeah, man. Come on, man.
Run that back.
Hey, yo, is these sounds as loud for y'all as they is for me?
Yeah.
They loud as shit?
They ain't that loud, but like, they good.
Alright, cool. He said, yeah.
Alright, hold on. See, look, if I make that little blink sound, right, I get a bonus, right?
Yeah, I mean, but if y'all both make it, it kind of cancel each other out. But if you make it and he don't, yeah.
See, look, I normally get 3, but this is grades, bro. I need 5. This is grades, bro. I need 5, no, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Do what you gotta do, man.
Hold on, here's my first one.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I ain't even gonna do the last 3. I'm gonna go with the first one.
Okay, cool.
Was that?
All
Okay. Okay. My turn. Okay.
Yeah, the floor is yours.
Okay.
Jermaine, what's poppin'?
Okay. Here we go.
How? Lando, bro. Lando.
I'm a musician.
Lando.
I'm a musician. Listen.
Lando, listen, please.
Hey, listen, brother. It's all love, my brother. You know what I'm saying?
Lando,
It is all love, my brother. Do you hear me? Hear them words and feel them. But I have to get out one of the graves, because
Lando, how he do this?
listen, man, I don't know.
No, goddamn, ain't no way, bro.
I don't know. But GG.
That man real life had me scared when he was about to do it.
GG's.
Oh my god.
That's.
There's always a way.
Oh, and he talking spicy too. Hold on, man. Why ain't none let me accept nobody? Oh, it still say Tekka in here. Uh-oh. Am I lagging?
No, you're fine.
Oh, there we go. Oh, Danielle, appreciate the gift. Oh. Huh?
No, I was reading a comment. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't think Graves had that. Have what?
You didn't think Graves sounded just like the sound? Uh-oh. My thing tripping. Oh, there we go.
Hi, Winona.
What up?
Hi, sweetie. How you doing?
Let's see.
I'm not sure I have much of a chance today. If Tech's on, Beano's on, Graves, obviously.
You gotta believe. Always.
Got it deep down deep in my soul.
Hell yeah. I couldn't have said it better myself, honestly. I don't know what to pick. Oh, this is one of my favorite sounds, I ain't gonna lie. I think it's pretty loud. I mean, not loud, but long. But
That's okay, I think.
let's just see. This might not be the sound I'm thinking of before I play it. But if it is, it's a good one. Oh, it's taking forever to load. I don't like that. Not bad.
We have to do this with our nose, right?
Yeah.
It's someone's really like very happy for clapping or something. He's clapping for some reason. Like it must be like a very entertaining show, you know? Like
You should have saved that for after somebody went.
maybe watching some good one of the greatest magicians of all time, and you're like, yeah,
Whoa.
that happy. He's the happiest man ever.
She said, "Is that hand clapping or?" Listen, I don't know what the sound was made with. I don't know what the sound was made with. I'm not sure I want to know. But right now, they just got to make it with their mouth. You know what I'm saying?
Well, that was definitely someone clapping. We don't know if he was using their hands. That's the thing.
Some kind of scheme. Yeah, exactly. You know, hey, what's understood don't need to be explained to me. You know what I'm saying? They got that.
Is Peanut making sounds now?
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Damn. Hey, that's a fact, though. That's a fact. Peanut do be doing a little turbulence thing. Or at least he used to. I ain't seen him do it in a while, so I ain't gonna say he still be doing it. Whoa. That sounded bad. He be doing it on his live, and I just happen to be in there sometime. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Cool.
He said, "Hey, yo."
Okay, I guess I'll go ahead and try this. We don't have to do it so long, right?
No. Just
Okay.
imitate it to the best of your
Let's see.
ability. What's up, Nicole?
I'm not even going to test this out before, so I don't know. I don't know if it was any good.
I mean, that was solid though. I ain't gonna lie. It was a different approach, but it was cool too. I fuck with it.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, what's happening? Y'all tap up them likes for me. Tap up them likes. This is the sound they gotta make when Ona just went and then it's Graves' turn. It's not awkward at all. It's just a chill sound, that's all. Round of applause.
So that's gonna be the sound?
Yeah. But I already went.
Okay. Okay, so let me try.
There's no way that was your mouth.
Is that your mouth?
Yeah, there's no way that was your mouth.
Okay. So I gotta do it with my mouth.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Like he doesn't know the rules.
Right?
Oh.
Okay. Let me think.
That's pretty good.
That I swear to God, that was my mouth.
You swear to who?
I swear to God, that was my mouth.
Wait a minute, Graves. Wait a minute. Now listen, I would have believed you. I do believe you. But don't you not believe in God?
What?
Never mind. That's not important. That was so
His lips were real moist.
Oh shit!
Not exactly the lip, but the tongue with the
Oh, were
roof
you
of the
clicking your
mouth.
tongue? Oh, I thought. Okay,
Yeah.
I can see what you're saying. I would have gone that
Yeah,
way if I
oh my God.
didn't us.
Damn. Alright.
Okay.
I gotta give it to Gray. Yeah, GG's.
Yeah.
GG, hun.
It's all in the technique.
He said, yeah.
GG.
Hey, yo, is the live going slow for y'all at all? Or is it just tripping on my end? Cause
I think
oh,
Oh,
Winona, I had already clicked that button. Like I don't know how long ago. It just took forever to drop you. You know what I'm saying? It was doing like the little spinny circle, you know, like the computer thinking thing.
Hey,
That's all. Huh?
first things fucking first. Turn your camera on, bro.
I don't think you
and
can.
you can. No, you can.
It's
You know,
because
you can only access with the because Lando's on the computer and you cannot turn on the camera.
I need to see the technique. Ain't no fucking way. This man just sounded like a running faucet, bro.
You just need to click your tongue with the roof of your mouth, like and in Spanish it's called paladar. I don't know how to call
I
it
believe
in
it. I
English.
believe the claps, bro. But that running faucet was too on point, bro. I feel like he was in front of the sink.
oh, I'm gonna try to
What?
shake it up. I know which one is Graves' weakness a little bit. All right,
Oh,
here we go.
not Michael Jackson.
He said not Michael Jackson is crazy.
Oh man, let's get it, bro.
It's loaded. I don't know why it's loaded so slow.
If you do something else exact on point, I'm never coming up here.
Come on, dude.
This will be the last straw.
Why is it taking so long? See, I'm worried that. Oh, okay.
Okay, see, like my voice don't even go that high.
No.
But Graves be struggling with this one, so
Go
it
ahead,
should be.
Gray.
Survivor, appreciate the rose, my boy.
No.
Huh?
I think he practicing.
Oh shit, that's funny as hell,
About
bro.
to embarrass me. My voice cannot go that high, bro.
Bro, it's not even. We just here to have a good time, man.
Yeah, I know, but this first off, I know you, and if this is recording, I'm about to be on the World Wide Web tomorrow.
Hey, look. Normally, I don't be recording these, but I had asked if it was cool earlier, and they was like, "It's cool." So,
Oh man, it's impossible. You're like a little child in Neverland, you know?
All right, well,
Totally abused.
show us your Neverland, man. Come on.
it's
Okay.
Survivor is
No.
yo. I was out of town, bro. I was back home visiting family.
You replied to that?
Okay, you want to go first?
Well, I didn't know how to navigate that. I ain't gonna lie.
Go ahead, running faucet face.
You want me to go?
Yeah, you go first, bro.
Okay. I didn't even try.
Oh,
I almost killed my breakfast on that one. Man.
damn. I thought that was Gray's weakness, bro. I ain't gonna lie. He done fixed that.
Yeah, it's yeah.
Oh
The thing
shit,
is,
that's crazy.
the thing is, Lando, I'm a
Bruh.
singer, and the more you
It's
sing,
funny
the
that
more
bro
your
just
voice
bounced.
like
He said,
it's more like
hey, nah, that's funny.
adaptable.
Bro just said, man, nah, fuck that. He just bounced like shit.
Oh man.
That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Bro said, nah, fuck that. Just
Well,
bounce.
I gotta admit that song was loud. Was really loud. I'm afraid some neighbors gonna complain or something.
Yeah, they gonna complain on your ass. I know that joke was just loud as shit because that shit was just loud over here. I had to turn my phone down. Like, hey Mo, that's
Did
funny.
you pray today? This is what everybody be saying to me.
Did you pray in it?
Oh,
Did
whoa,
you
whoa,
pray
whoa,
in it?
whoa, 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 whoa.
Come on, bro. That can't be the sound, bro.
I was just trying to get it to stop.
I'm like, hold the fuck on. That sounds like a transformer bot.
The RDC, the video game house. Yeah, I posted it already. I did react to it. I reacted to it live before I went out of town, I think, and it's already up and shit. At least I think it is. I'm pretty sure I did it. Now you got me questioning myself. Never back down. Never what?
What?
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Let's got it!
Oh,
Yeah, that's the one right there. Yeah, the cliffhanger was crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
what this nigga Graves like 7-0?
Man, he ain't lost since he came up.
Damn.
Once upon a time, we had made a special rule for folks, for well, not folks like Graves, but for Graves specifically, that he can only go like 5 times straight. Then he had to he had to switch out. But we ain't been playing this game, so and we ain't got that many people, so I ain't tripping. But people used to like really not request if
You
he
gonna go
was
first?
in the box.
Nah, you go first, Graves. Come on, man.
Appreciate the gift, Survivor.
Well, I appreciate the 2 little coins somebody gave me. So, 2 cents.
Okay.
Shout out. The real MVP.
Okay. Oh my God, it's corn. Okay. Can you play it again?
Damn, hold on.
Can you play the sound again?
Oh,
Don't just jump that. I can't even get that high, bro. Oh, God. Hey, no, hold yeah. Graves is built different, bro.
He built different, man. Built different indeed. Pixel Pusher was happening. I gotta give it to Graves. I think I'm gonna call that the last sound game round. So the champ of the night,
Yes.
none other than Graves himself. Graves.
Nah, you definitely built
Acknowledge
different,
me.
bro.
Graves, do you have anything to say to the people, man? The floor is yours.
Well, thank you so much for the opportunity to show my my talents and my abilities to your audience, and I'm really thankful with everyone in the comments, with everyone that competed here. I could have gone so far without thought of you.
Hell yeah, Graves. Talk your shit, man. Oh, shit. That's funny. All right, man. GG's.
GG, everyone. You all did like really great. And some of you were pretty solid in your saying.
That's not what he wanted to say. Y'all suck. That's crazy. The hesitation said it all. No, but y'all did good. I'm glad y'all feel comfortable enough to come up and play this game. I know it could be embarrassing, but I appreciate y'all. It's a good time. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we're always having a great time here. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. But I got one video I need to oh, appreciate the gifts. I missed what it was, but appreciate the gift. Sometimes that be scaring me. Huh?
I always think about Mr. Krabs when I hear that sound, like money.
That's what it was supposed to be, but I couldn't find Mr. Krabs, so I just did it myself.
Oh, like I can record you, like I can make a recording and send it to the Discord.
Oh, that would be a good idea. Like
Something like
I think I think the sounds can only be like 3 seconds or something. But,
okay. I'll link into the Discord later.
All right, bet. Peace.
Thanks so much, Lando.
For surely. All right. Bagao. Money. Thank y'all. Going crazy. What if I could cry on command? I'll be up in here dropping tears. Yeah, that's the one right there. Black Chicago be like. I think some of y'all was here for the last part we watched. This came out while I was in Omaha, and it took everything in my power not to watch it. I ain't gonna lie. So now we watch it together, and then I'm oh shit, let me end this recording real quick. I'm tripping.